How would you like to get thousands of views, thousands of followers, and on top of that, start making money on TikTok? If that sounds like it's something for you, then I suggest that you stop whatever you're doing right now and listen to what I've got to say. Now, I know that a lot of people out there have been let down by so-called gurus who have promised them results to get millions of views, millions of followers, that they can get and open up a TikTok creator account and a TikTok shop and start making money left, right, and center. Now, we know that you've been let down. We know, because we've also been let down. We found out there is lack of support and lack of quality. So we have come together and come up with our brainchild, and we called it the Viral Vault. We are going to be promising you to show you exactly how to create high quality videos and giving you all the prompts to do so with all the latest trends that are coming out. We're going to show you exactly what you need to do and how to post it or whatever social platform that you're doing at the moment. Now, if this sounds like it's something for you, then I suggest that you come on board by clicking the button down below. Once you're inside, you're going to see a series of training videos that we're going to be sharing with you exactly what we do to create high quality videos, okay, that can go viral just like that. Now, go ahead, click that button down below, and I'll see you on the inside.